folks, we got the T-Bird running pretty smooth. The more we run it, the better it runs. These things don't like to sit around. They want to be driven. Looking good. It's smoking a little bit right there where I ran it for a while with the valve covers off. We'll turn that off in no time. But she's running pretty good, folks. Let's take a look in the back here. Take a listen. Alright, she sounds pretty good. Alright. Sounding good. Alright, folks. Let's try them blinkers out now. They were working the other day. There it goes. It takes a little while to get that sequential thing going on. Let's try the right side. I'm gonna have to polish those tail lights out. See what we got going on the right side. Okay, there it goes. I don't know how good you can see this in the sun, but it's doing its sequential motion. Let's try to get in close. Maybe sideways. There it goes. Can you see that, folks? All right. All right, well, she's running really good. Oh, let's see if the light on this. Oh yeah, she's lighting up. All right. I got the right battery in there. You need a pretty good battery to crank that big beast over. I'm just gonna let it run and idle for a little bit, folks. Let's see what we got going on inside. Yeah, it's almost impossible to see the lights, but the gas gauge is working. Temperature gauge, I still need to hook up. Oil pressure looks like it's working. That's okay oil pressure on. And there's a temp, and there's the amp gauge. That's reading good.